Hello guys and welcome back to Abhi Techno DIY. So guys, in this video I am going to make a mountain car. So let's get started. So first you need a stick as shown in the video. You may use a refill of old pen and apply some glue on its end. So once the glue is dry, insert some big size wheels as shown in the video in a stick. And apply hot glue on its another end. Stick any this kind of DC motor which should be exactly at the center between these two tires. Take this kind of BO motor and attach two wheels on its both the ends. So guys, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.